Hello, everybody. Today I will share about CNC large program mazatrol course. This is the example such machine with upper and lower tolerance. So the method from OD is this 100 millimeter. So we used RPM 1500 RPM workface. We use at millimeter length. We use 100 and millimeter. So this is the program first. This is the first program. So refreshing finish at 0.1. Tool, we use tool roughing general edge. In depth we use 1.5 millimeter, and speeder we use the 150, and figuration we use 0.50. Finish tool each dominant TS tenths, and speed we use 200, figuration 0.1. So we start from H100. The start H100 100 millimeter to the final H20 from H100 to H0. So from set competence set at millimeter to set 0. So this is the edge we work with chip H from 100 to H0, from Z at the Z0. So this is the program. First we work face at millimeter for from Z at to Z0. So the second program is bar out. Bar out is the OD. We use from this one to this one OD. OD is the outside of the mazatrol, ID in the inside. So bar out, this is outside program. We use tool 90 degree. H start from 100 to H finish 0.2. Z start 0 to finish at 0.1. Tool, we use rafting tool, figure rough and finish tool, tip 1.5, speeder we use 150, configuration we use 0 1 13. In the finish we use the 200 10 and ones. So this is the bars. We start from lynch. What between the lunch we start from chamfer and millimeter. From H 100 H bar out 100 to H 20. This is H 20s. So the machine travel from migration travel from this one. This is machine to this travel from this one to this one, takes out from 100 to 20. So set we choose from zero to set 10. From this is 10. So 100 we take out like this. This is lunch. We take out this. So is this the lunch first, and we surface we use 3 and TPR we start from this one to this one, from diameter this one to this one. So we start from 18, from this one 18. This is 18 diameter to 100 diameter. So we start from this one each, and Z start from the resistor. Then the ending is 10. So from 10 to 13. So we choose surface 3. What we did TPR from this one to this one, TPR line from this one to this one. So you understand about CNC. I explain it clearly, so just understand about it. With first program we H, this is the H 1 millimeter is surface. We take out this one. Program bar out, we use line from this one to this one, and then we use TPR from this one to this one. So I think that you hope understand about this. Is program 3 with happening program mode HC. We use the post B, post C. We use the M6 and major 6 and pitch 1 and tap T10 and chamfer 1.5. If you see the hole in chamfer, we see 1.5. So this is the M6 depth 10. The M6 hole. So then we tap this one. So program 3, we start from central drill, center drill. Nominating we use the hold it is 8134, 19 degree, and depth central drill, and speed 59. Configuration so 0.09 drill with drill 5.8 and hole diameter 5.1, hole depth 12, pre-diameter 0, pre-diameter 100, drill 2.55 and speed 25 and configuration 0.08, top M6, 6 hole diameter, hole 10 and top, and fixed and P once and 39 configuration 1. So we tap M6 here. So we start from arcs 25, arc 25 from this one to this one 25, and CY we use CY is C and Y is the 0 from this one, C and Y 0, and start point 10 from 10 from this one, from content this one to this one. So the whole depth from this one 10, start from Z10, and the number hold 2 number and 19 degree, and 180 from this one to this one 180. So Q0 or 0 and finish, program finish, and continue 0, repeat shift number 0 ATC return and low return and work no execution. I hope you understand about all the program that I share today. Can I summarize again? Is diameter 108 millimeter and the length 101 millimeter. So we start H, and then we start power from this one to this one from program links and TPR, and then we tap drill 2 hole, we drill 5.1, we tap M6. So from this one to this one 180 degree. I hope you understand about all the program plan for I explain. Thank you for watching.